Great job, guys. So I know you all solved it. Nevertheless, I'm still gonna show you how my solution was. So what we wanted to print was something like this. Let me just write it down here so that we are on the same page. And I'm just gonna copy this. And there you go, right? We wanted to create that. So we noticed that the size was 4 by 4. So I'm gonna create a variable that's gonna called size. It's gonna be called size, right? And I'm just gonna use text, okay? If you wanna use lists, probably you can. Actually, is the best solution, but for now, we're gonna use just strings, right? Because that's the things we know. Like in the next theme, we are actually gonna use lists and we're gonna use dictionaries, but it's just like for the following weeks, not now. So we're here and we just wanna start doing all the nested loops, right? So there's for I in range of the size, that's the one we defined, colon for j in range size because it has the same size on both things. And there you go. Okay, right. Now, if we just see our slides back again, we just see that whenever I is odd and I is even and j is even, and then I just needed to place a 0, and the rest of the cases I needed to create a 1. So how to do that? With an if, okay? So if I, the modulus of this thing, it's equal to 0, and pretty much the same thing, but with j, then I'm just gonna add text with a 0, and this t, this is like a tab. Again, is for it to look pretty. It has no other use. I just like pretty code. Else, the same thing with a 1. Just cover the rest of the cases, and that's it, pretty much. Now I just need to print it, which is print text, and what else? Oh yeah, to reset the text, okay? If not, it's just gonna look like really ugly. So here we go. Let's run it. And beautiful. There we go. We get it. We got our results. I really encourage you to try this and to revisit it like as many times as you need it so that you can, well, you can solve it. Okay, guys? So, great. Well, great job.